The Bear, The Bear Season 4? The Bear is a critically acclaimed dramedy series that premiered on FX on Hulu, blending sharp storytelling with raw, emotional performances. Created by Christopher Storer, the show delves into the chaotic world of a struggling Chicago sandwich shop and the lives of the people running it. The series follows Carmy Berzatto, played by Jeremy Allen White, a young, award-winning chef who returns to Chicago after a personal tragedy to take over his family's sandwich shop, the original beef of Chicagoland. Far from the fine dining world he's used to, Carmy faces the challenges of dealing with debt, and navigating relationships with a colorful crew of employees. Among them are the passionate sous chef Sydney, played by Ayo Edebiri, and the rough around the edges Richie, played by Ebon Moss-Bachrach. The show is celebrated for its authenticity, portraying the high-stakes intensity of kitchen culture while exploring themes of grief, redemption, and resilience. With its quick-paced dialogue, deeply human characters, and stunning food cinematography, The Bear offers a raw yet heartfelt look at the struggles and triumphs of its characters. If you enjoy stories that blend drama, humor, and a touch of chaos with a strong focus on character development, The Bear is a must-watch.